drug use are never very far away for many children when they step outside their homes in many Baltimore City neighborhoods. In fact, more than half of the kids in Baltimore have experienced some type of traumatic experience. A city councilman is leading the way to help these kids heal after being exposed to violence. WMAR 2 News' Eddie Kadem shows us what he's doing.
A gunman coming into your school, shooting a member of the staff. A sad reality that didn't go away for the students at Frederick Douglass High School.
When there's a shooting in school, kids' minds sort of, get scrambled and they get out of place because they have friends and they have certain family members that go to that school and they just want a future, And when their lives get disrupted, they really can't focus on anything.
Schools thought to be a safe haven, in some cases homes where parents are taken away because of drug addiction. When they're hurting, many feel like they don't have a place to turn to cope with the pain.
It can actually re-traumatize very vulnerable kids. And we want to make sure that young people know that when they come to a rec center or a library or a city building, that they are safe and that they're not going to be arbitrarily thrown out.
City Councilman Zeke Cohen has been working with other leaders and young people like Damani, introducing the Baltimore City Trauma Responsive Care Act, a bill that would create a work group to collect data and set goals to stop trauma before it starts. The health department training every city agency.
Select 2 trauma responsive champions. These are folks from within the agency who are tasked with getting advanced training, learning how to effectively respond to trauma, and then going back to their own agencies, teaching other staff, but also, and this is critical, rewriting policies and procedures with a lens toward reducing harm, trauma, and toxic stress.
Giving these kids answers when they experience something that makes them question the way they see things.
Well, certain people will reach a boiling point, and certain people, they seek out help.
And Eddie tells us that the bill was introduced yesterday and was unanimously co-sponsored by the entire council. It will need to pass through 2 more readings before it becomes law.